In front of me is Nevin phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Then to take a photo within Messages app, operate top portion of your screen. After you click on the shutter, your photo will be automatically attached. If you want to add already existing ones, hold this line and drag it up. Then tap on all of your photos you wanna send and hit done at the bottom right corner to send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!